Now chapter 4, capacitors and dielectrics. Now we will do the numericals of this chapter. But first we will see the formulae of the chapters. What are the formula? So see here, first is C equals to Q upon P. What is the capacitance of a conductor? It is the ratio of charge held by that conductor to the electric potential acquired due to that charge. What is capacitance? It is the ratio of charge held by conductor to the electric potential acquired because of that charge. Have you understood? Now, when you will increase the magnitude of charge, what will happen? V will also increase, but the ratio of Q upon V will remain constant. And this ratio we call as electrical capacitance. And electrical capacitance decides that how much charge a conductor can hold. कोई भी charge कितना, कोई भी conductor कितना charge hold कर सकता है, that is decided by the capacitance. It is exactly in the same way कि कोई भी कंटेनर में कितना वॉल्यूम का लिक्विड रख सकते हैं, कितना लिक्विड पोर किया जा सकता है इन दैट कंडक्टर, that is decided by the volume. Suppose its volume is 500 ml. If you pour 600 ml of liquid, what will happen? 100 ml will flow out. So in the same way, there is a certain capacity of holding the charge by every conductor. If you give more charge than that, what will happen? That extra charge will flow out into the surrounding. What is the SI unit? Its SI unit is farad. Smaller units are microfarad, millifarad. These are the smaller units of the capacity. Now see here, farad is a very big unit that already I have told. The generally used units are microfarad and millifarad. And you know, 1 microfarad equals to 10 to the power minus 6 farad. 1 millifarad equals to 10 to the power minus 3 farad. Now, what are the factors on which capacitance depend? It depends upon the shape, size, and nature of the surrounding medium. Shape, size, and nature of the surrounding medium. Now, second term is, what is the second formula? Here, capacitance of isolated spherical conductor. Now, one more thing I have told, that capacitance depends upon the shape, it depends upon the size, as well as nature of the surrounding medium. Nature of surrounding medium. Now, suppose there is any conductor. There is any conductor whose capacitance is C. In air, it is capacitance is C naught. What is capacitance of the conductor? In air, it is C naught. When the same conductor is placed in some dielectric material means it is a insulating material. Dielectric means it is insulating. So a conductor is having capacitance C naught in air. If it is placed in a dielectric medium of dielectric constant K, then what will happen to its capacitance? Who can tell? Capacitance क्या हो जाएगा? it will increase K times, which is in air or vacuum, which is in air or vacuum. All of you remember this thing. If any conductor is having capacitance C not in air or in vacuum, when it will be placed in a dielectric medium of dielectric constant K, then its capacitance will increase K times. Capacitance K times बढ़ जाएगा. बट अगर हम देखें फोर्स क्या होता है डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम में, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितनी होती है, it decreases K times. If two charges are placed in vacuum and then they are placed in some dielectric medium, the force between them will decrease K times. Electric intensity will decrease K times. Electric potential will decrease K times. But capacitance क्या होता है, K times बढ़ जाता है. It is clear? Now capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor. So this is an isolated spherical conductor. Its meaning already I have told, that isolated means it is not interacting with any other conductor. It is not interacting with any other conductor. Its radius is change. What will be its capacitance? It is 4 pi epsilon naught A. 4 pi epsilon naught A. This will be the capacitance of isolated spherical conductor in air or vacuum. In dielectric medium, it will be medium. It will increase K times, means it will become C equals to Kc naught. Kc naught means it is 4 pi epsilon naught K into E. What is K? K is the dielectric constant of the dielectric medium. For example, of water, it is 81. Water, the dielectric constant 81. So this is the capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor. Now after that, capacitor. Third thing which I am told, that was capacitor. So capacitor, I have told, as you know that capacitance of a conductor cannot be increased. Every conductor is having a definite capacitance. It is having a definite capability of holding the charge. More than that, it cannot hold the charge. More than that, it cannot hold the charge. उससे अधिक charge ये hold नहीं कर सकता. Because if you increase Q, then V will also increase in the same proportion. अगर हम Q increase करेंगे तो V भी उसी proportion में increase कर जाएगा. Keeping Q upon V always constant. Keeping Q upon V will always constant. It's clear? Therefore, every conductor is having a definite capacity of holding the charge. Now see here, what is capacitor? Capacitor is an arrangement, but in this arrangement there are two conductors by which a large amount of charge can be stored. Large amount of charge can be stored. It is a device of two conductors in which one is connected to the earth. And by this arrangement, we can store large amount of charge. Now see here, in capacitor, there are two conductors in which one is connected to the earth. एक कंडक्टर क्या होता है, अर्थ से कनेक्ट होता है. This conductor is connected to the earth, and here this is connected to the positive plate of battery. This is the earthing. Earthing provides the zero potential. Earthing provides to the zero potential. So see here, this is the arrangement of, if you take only this plate, what will happen?
सर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है।
Voice is not coming. और लोगों को आ रही है?
हाँ सर आ रही है।
यस सर।
वॉइस की प्रॉब्लम कितने लोगों को? हो सकता है नेटवर्क की कुछ एरर रहती है तो फिर दिक्कत रहती तो नहीं आती ना। हो सकता है तुम्हारी साइड में नेटवर्क थोड़ा पुअर हो, ये भी हो सकता है ना। सबको क्लियर आवाज आ रही है नहीं? हेलो
यस सर।
तो होगी कोई दिक्कत होगी तो कभी कभी क्या। Now see here, if you having a single conductor, it is having a definite capacitance. एक इस पर definite charge ही store कर सकते हैं. But if we bring another uncharged earthed conductor near to it, another uncharged earthed conductor near to it, what will happen? इसकी capacity क्या हो जाएगी? It can be increased because of this presence. Because of its presence, its capacity can be increased. Here I have taken both the conductor in the shape of a plane sheet. In the shape of the plane sheet. But these conductors may have any shape. It's clear? So capacitor is a device of two conductors by which in which a large amount of charge can be stored, by which we can increase the capacitance of the conductor. And in this arrangement, one conductor is uncharged and connected to the earth. So see here, when you will give the positive charge to this conductor, what will happen? और हम लोग अधिकतर क्या है सब कुछ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर के लिए बताएंगे क्योंकि वही हमारे कोर्स में है. What is the meaning of parallel plate capacitor? Means both the conductors are in the shape of plane sheet. Both the conductors are in the shape of plane sheet. It's clear? Now, if both the conductors are in spherical shape, suppose this is one conductor, there is another concentric spherical conductor. This outer one is connected to the earth, and charge is given to the, this is the cork, this is a cork insulating disc through which this rod is passing. This is a insulating disc through which this rod is passing, and here this is a brass cap. So if you bring a positively charged rod in its contact, what will happen? This inner spherical shell will acquire the positive charge. It will induce negative charge on the inner surface of outer spherical shell. Inner surface of outer spherical shell में एक negative charge induce हो जाता है, and positive charge will be induced on the outer surface, which will be immediately neutralized because of the earthing. Earthing के कारण neutralized. So this is called the spherical capacitor. Spherical capacitor. So capacitor may be in any shape, means the plates of capacitor may be in any shape. They may be plane sheets, they may be spherical cells, they may be cylinders. It's clear, they may be of any shape, but in our course there is only parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. It's clear. Now see here. If you see here, we denote plate area by which symbol? Equals to A. And separation between the plates, it is denoted by small d. मतलब ये distance कितनी है? D है. और what is the common area in between both plates? Here A means common area in between both the plates. I said, suppose it is 100 centimeter square. This is also 100 centimeter square. When it is kept like this, what is A? 100 centimeter square. But if you keep like this, now A will not be 100 centimeter square. It will be less देन 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। ये 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर से क्या हो जाएगा, लेस। दिस इज क्लियर। So common area between the plates is A, plate separation is B. So what will be capacitance? Capacitance in air filled capacitor, it is epsilon naught A upon D. Epsilon naught A upon D. This is air filled capacitor. It's clear. What is the formula of capacitance of capacitor? It is the charge held by one of the plate divided by potential difference between both the plates. Now here V is what? Here V is potential difference between both the plates. Potential difference होगा. Now see here. Charge held by one of the plate divided by potential difference between both the plates. So you can see here in air filled capacitor, air filled capacitor मतलब जब दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में एयर है या दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में वैक्यूम है, then capacitance is given by this formula. You can see here capacitance is directly proportional to the common area in between both the plates. More the common area between both the plates, capacitance will be more. For example, here these are the two plates. Now at this moment maximum area is common, but if you rotate one plate, what will happen? Common area will decrease. Common area क्या होगा? Decrease हो जाएगा. And in this case it will be minimum. There will be minimum common area. You can see here at this moment maximum area is common. But if you rotate one of the plate, what will happen? Common area will decrease. It's clear? And therefore capacitance will also change. Then capacitance is directly inversely proportional to the plate separation. Plates पास होंगी, capacitance अधिक होगा. Capacitance अधिक होगा means more charge can be stored. More charge can be stored. It is clear? Plates will be farther apart, smaller charge can be stored. So see here, you can see in the parallel plate capacitor, this is plus Q, this is minus Q. Means this is the positive plate and this is the negative plate. There will be what type of electric field between the plate? Who can tell? So there will be uniform electric field between plates. And this is given by sigma equals to, not sigma, E equals to sigma upon epsilon naught. It's clear? Here what is plate separation? Plate separation is C. What is sigma here? Sigma is surface charge density. Surface charge density. That you can write as Q upon A. Q upon A क्यों? क्योंकि देख लो इसका एरिया क्या है, A है, and how much charge is on this Q? So it is Q upon A. It is clear. So when you will put here, so E equals to Q upon A epsilon naught. Upon A epsilon naught. Now what will be the potential difference between the plates? वो हमको मालूम है, E multiplied by D, because there is uniform electric field. So what is potential difference? V equals to E into D. So when you will simplify, it is in place of this you write down Q upon A epsilon naught into D. Now what will be V upon Q? Who can tell? It will be D upon A epsilon naught. whether it is clear? D को हम left hand side ले हैं. So what is Q upon V? V upon Q is this. So Q upon V will be the reciprocal of this, means epsilon naught A upon D. This is the capacitance, because this is the charge held by one of the plate divided by potential difference between the plate. So this is all about for parallel plate capacitor, which is air filled. Now, if it is completely filled with dielectric material, if space between the plates space between plates of a parallel plate capacitor is completely filled by dielectric material of dielectric constant K. Then capacitance will become what? K epsilon naught A upon D. This will become the capacitance. Capacitance will be this. Whether it is clear? Now after this, you can see here, next, energy stored in a charged capacitor. Energy stored in a charged capacitor. This derivation is imparted. Similarly, this one is also imparted. What is the energy stored in a charged capacitor? So suppose there is a capacitor of capacitance C. It charged up capacitance C. It charged up to a potential difference V. And then it holds how much charge? Q. Now you can see here, there is a capacitance there is a capacitor whose capacitance is C. There is a capacitor whose capacitance is C. It is charged up to this potential difference. होगा क्या? कैसे चार्ज किया जाएगा? Suppose this is the capacitor and this is a charging battery of 10 volt. Charging battery of 10 volt. It is connected this way. So you can see here, since it is connected to this plate is connected to the positive terminal, this left side plate is connected to the positive terminal, therefore it will be positive plate and this will be the negative. ये बैटरी क्या करेगी? ये बैटरी क्या करेगी? It will carry the electrons from positive plate. It will take the electrons from positive plate and transfer them here to the negative plate. Negative plate पर transfer कर देगी. In the beginning, both the plates are uncharged. Beginning में क्या है? दोनों plates क्या है? Uncharged. But as the electrons will transfer from here to here, जैसे ही electrons का transfer एक plate से दूसरे plate पर होगा, with the help of the battery, what will happen? This plate will become, left side of plate will become positively charged. This plate will become negatively charged. जैसे जैसे इन पर चार्ज बढ़ता जाएगा, इनके बीच का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस भी बढ़ता जाएगा. And when this potential difference becomes equals to 10 volt, what will happen? Charging will stop. Charging will stop. And both this capacitor will be charged up to what voltage? Up to 10 volt. ये कैपेसिटर 10 वोल्ट तक चार्ज हो जाएगा and this takes place instantly. Instantly means charging of battery क्या होती है, charging of capacitor क्या है, it takes place without elapsing any time, बिना कोई टाइम खर्च किए 2-4 सेकंड में ही ये पूरा चार्ज हो जाए. Within 2-3 seconds it will be completely charged. Whether it is clear? So what is the energy stored? And energy will be stored in what form here? Capacitor में energy किस form में store होती है? So in the form of electric potential energy. In the form of electric potential energy. क्यों? Because one plate become positively charged, another plate become negatively charged, an electric field will be created in between the plates. An electric field will be created in between the plates, and therefore here energy will be stored in the form of electric potential energy. It's clear. Now how much will be the electric potential energy? So you can see here इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है तो हम किस सिंबल से डिनोट करते हैं U. What is the formula? 1/2 C into V square of CV square. This is one formula. What is the other formula? Who can tell? What is the other formula?
1/2 Q square upon C.
It is Q square upon 2C, and third is 1/2 Q into V. You remember these part. जहां पर जो चीज दी रहेगी उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. It is clear. Now after this combination of capacitors means how can you connect the capacitors? So like the resistors, capacitors can be connected in series and they can be connected in parallel. Series में भी connect कर सकते हैं, parallel में भी connect कर सकते हैं, just like the resistors that you have studied in class 10. Here this is the series combination. Series combination of capacitors. In series combination, there will be same charge on all the capacitors. Same charge. But what will happen to the potential difference? Potential difference will be different. मतलब अगर यहाँ potential difference V1, यहाँ V2, यहाँ पर V3, therefore it will be different. You can see here V1 equals to Q upon C1, V2 equals to Q upon C2, V3 equals to Q upon C3. All the capacitors will acquire the same charge, but the potential difference between them will be different. If you find out the ratio of potential, it will be the inverse ratio of their capacitances. Inverse ratio of their capacitance. What will be means inverse ratio of their capacitance? मतलब capacitance more, potential difference less. Lesser the potential capacitance, more will be the potential difference. Series में. What will be the equivalent capacitance? You can see here. So see here, 1/CS will be equal to 1/C1 plus 1/C2 plus 1/C3. It's clear. If there are three capacitors which are connected in series, what will be their equivalent capacitance? What will be their total capacitance? What will be their net capacitance? It is given by this formula. Suppose there are only two. 1/CS, it will be equal to 1/C1 plus 1/C2. When you will simplify further, it will be C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. दो के लिए ये अप्लाई करते हैं. Now suppose there are n identical capacitors. N identical capacitors connected in series. Connected in series. Then what will be 1 upon C plus 1 upon C plus and so on n times. That is n upon C. So CS equals to C upon n. Okay, suppose there are 10 capacitors, each of 1 mu F. What will be the net capacitance? 1 upon 10, that is 0.1 mu F. 0.1 mu F. Now there is one more advantage in the series. सीरीज में जैसे जैसे हम और कैपेसिटर्स कनेक्ट करते जाएंगे, इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस will keep on decreasing to more and more. It will keep on decreasing more and more. हम अगर और कैपेसिटर्स कनेक्ट कर दे, इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस और कम हो जाएगा. जितने कनेक्ट करेंगे उतना ही अधिक कम होता चला जाएगा. It is clear. Now you see the parallel. In parallel combination, one plate of all the capacitors are connected at one plate of the battery, and other plates are connected to the other plate of the battery. बैटरी की एक प्लेट से सभी कैपेसिटर्स की एक प्लेट कनेक्ट होती है और बैटरी के दूसरी प्लेट से सभी दूसरी प्लेट्स कनेक्ट होती है. You can see here all left side plates are connected with plus and all right side plates are connected with minus. Means there will be same potential difference. Same potential difference. But if you see the charges on every capacitor, there will be different amount of charge. कितना होगा? एक में C1V, दूसरे में C2V and third में कितना चार्ज होगा? C3V. What is V here? V is the potential difference of battery. V is the potential difference between the plates. It's clear? V is the potential difference between the plates. What is the total charge supplied? Total charge which will be supplied by battery Q equals to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. What will be the equivalent capacitance? It will be given by C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now suppose there are n identical capacitors. N identical capacitors connected in series. N identical capacitors connected in series, then it will be equal to Cp equals to N into C. Cp equals to N into C. This will be the capacitance of the equivalent.
Parallel, right? It's in parallel, right?
Parallel, not series. Yes. Okay. This is parallel. It's clear. ये क्या होगा? पैरेलल में अगर इन आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर्स कनेक्टेड हो तो क्या हो जाएगा? Cp equals to N into C. Now after this there is dielectric polarization. It's clear. So Now about this, I will explain you tomorrow, and then tomorrow I will begin the numericals. It's clear? You can start the numericals also. Here very simple numericals are there. So numericals I will do tomorrow.